Good morning, dear kids. Today we'll be taking our new topic that is called as composite functions. Now, what do you mean by composite functions? In this, when one function is followed by other function, in fact, one function is continued by other function, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज कंपोजिट फंक्शन. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक फंक्शन की आप एक फंक्शन परफॉर्म करके जो वैल्यू आ रही है वो वैल्यू से आप दूसरा फंक्शन उसी के ऊपर परफॉर्म कर रहे हो. सो इट बिकम्स लिटिल कॉम्प्लेक्स बट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन एग्जाम्पल. लाइक इफ सपोज आई एम हैविंग f of x is x minus 4 the whole square minus 1. Getting my point? And g of x is given as 2x plus 3 upon x minus 2 and where x is greater than 2. Clear? Now what they have said is they have said you have to find function of g of 4. What do you mean by this? F of g of 4. So that means first the function g will work on 4 and whatever value you will get, on that we will again find the function. That means first you have to put the value of 4 into your g function. Getting my point? So g will act on 4 first. Like we will find g of x is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 2. That is g of 4 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 2. That is 11 upon 2. So you got the function, you got the g of 4 value as 11 upon 2. Now this g of 4 11 upon 2 you can put in here. Got my point clear? So you have to find function of g of 4, that is function of 11 upon 2. Getting my point? मतलब क्या हो गया? function of x जो है okay function of x जो था हमारा that was x minus 4. I'm continuing the same part, same question. That was something like this. And now you got the value of x 11 upon 2. Am I correct? Now in this equation you have to put 11 upon 2 wherever you get x. Is that clear? And once you solve this, you will get, this is the value of f of g of 4. Am I clear with this? ठीक है? Okay. Okay, next problem we have. In that it is given function of x is equal to ax plus b, and for x belongs to real numbers. Given that function of 5 is equal to 3 and f3 is equal to minus 3. You have to find the value of a and b. My dear kids, what you will do in this? It is given that function of x f5 है, तो function of x means f5 is equal to ax plus b. आप 5 कहाँ पे डालोगे? You will put it value of x as 5. So it will be 5a plus b. And it is given that function of x value is 3. So here you will put it 3. Getting my point clear? So you got your equation number 1 from here. And next what you will do? f3 is given as minus 3. Function of x is equal to ax plus b. Function of 3 is equal to, wherever you find it as x, you have to put the value of 3. And function of 3 is given as minus 3. So it will be something like this. Once you got equation 1 and equation 2, my dear kids, you have to use your simultaneous equation. By solving simultaneously, you will get the value of a as well as b. Okay? Okay. Let's see, next we have, okay, in this same we also have that you have to find function of, see, function of x was given as ax plus b. I am continuing with the same problem, and it is given that solve the equation f x. that is function of x is equal to 4. ठीक है, what is function of x? That means you have ax plus b. In that x you have to put the value of function of x, that is ax plus b again plus b. That will be a square plus ab plus b, and that is equal to 4. It is given to you. Clear, my dear kids? Okay, that is a square x ab plus b. Am I correct with this? Now you got the value of a and b, my dear kids. If you see this, so you got the value of a and b. You're going to get it from here. Okay, that same value you have to put it here, a and b, and from there you have to get the value of x. Is it clear for you? Okay, next we will take, suppose if I have, okay, we'll take this, yes. Suppose if I have function of x is equal to x plus 1 upon 2x plus 5, and you have to find, let me check what we have to find. Find an expression for f of fx. Getting my point? Give your answer as a single fraction in its simplest form. Yes, what we will do, what you mean by f of fx? That means इसके x में इसी की वैल्यू डालनी है. That means you have to find function of x plus 1 upon 2x plus 5. That means wherever you have x, this entire value you have to put in. So x is x plus 1 upon 2x plus 5 plus 1 upon, again this x is 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 5 plus 5. Are you getting my point? What I am doing exactly? So that means function of x. So what is function of x? Function of x is this. So I have put that, and I have to put in x की वैल्यू, पूरे उसी फंक्शन की वैल्यू लेनी है. जो f of x की मतलब क्या है कि जो आपने fx दिया हुआ है तो आपकी x की वैल्यू वही बन जाएगी. Is that clear? So now you have to take the LCM. So did you get with this? Let's take the LCM. So it will be something like this. Once you solve this, my dear kids, you will notice that you are getting answer something like this. From here, if you want, you can take 3 common. So inside will be x plus 2. Down also, if you take 3 common, inside will be 4x plus 9. So your final answer will be this. Clear? Okay, next we'll go for, our next problem is function of x is given as k minus 2x. Okay, and g of x is given as 2 upon x. Find the value of k for which f of g of x is equal to x has 2 equal roots. Sorry. So here function of f of g of x, well, first you have g of x and put it into this value. Okay, so it will be function of 2 upon x is equal to k minus 2x. That will be k minus 2 by x. That will be k minus 4 by x. So that is function of g of x. Clear? Once you got that, they have said that this is equal to x. So can I write it k minus 4 upon x is equal to x? That will be kx minus 4 is equal to x square. Am I correct? Can I put it x square minus kx minus 4? Now my dear kids, if you remember, you had the discriminant formula where you had the equal roots, you put b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Am I correct? So similarly now here you have to put it 0 and this will be your b square minus 4ac. Use this for this equation and get the value of k. Can you do that? Okay, perfect.